Hello everyone, welcome to Cambridge Primary Science Stage 6 Chapter 2 Living Things in the Environment. Our first topic for the discussion, food chains in the local habitat. So what is habitat? Introduction. Habitat is a home in the environment for the plants and the animals where the plants and animals interact. Food chains describes the feeding relationship between the plants and animals. As you know, the energy pyramid, it provides or describe the feeding and energy relationship within a food chain. The producers, then the primary consumers, then secondary and the third level consumers in the food chain. Producers are at the base level, and then who consume, they are known as the primary consumers like animals, and then they are the secondary consumer and the third level consumers. So food chain is like describing the feeding relationship between the plants and the animals, and it shows the flow of energy. You have to look for a suitable habitat near your school or the place where you live, and that habitat means it would be a garden or the area where the trees are growing with the grass or the other plants, and where you can identify the species of plants and animals. So habitat can be garden, it can be park, and if you live in the rural area, it can be a river bank, field where you can find plants and animals living. And animals can be insects and birds also. Let's study Linda's garden. She has a garden and she is proud of her this vegetable garden, which is a habitat for many plants and animals in that garden. Linda grows maize, spinach, and pumpkins in her garden, and vegetables grow fast in warm sun as it is a dry season. So, Linda water her garden every day. So, there is a feeding relationship between the plants and animals, which is an habitat in the Linda's garden. For example, there, as she grows spinach, so caterpillars eat spinach leaves. So leaf is a food for caterpillars. So this is a feeding relationship. Some birds eat caterpillars. So caterpillars, they eat leaves, and who eat caterpillars? The birds. So the lizards eat stalk borer. So what is stalk borer? It is like a, you can say, moth, and there are three main species of stalk borer like which attack the maize, and there are other animals which help to fight the pests. Food chains food chains, it describes a feeding relationship between plants and animals. Like spinach is eaten by the caterpillar, this is the food chain. This arrow shows eaten by. What would animals and humans eat if we had no plants? Animals and human would have to eat only animals if there are no plants, but one day all the animals will be eaten up. Plants are at the start of the food chains because they use the energy in the sunlight, that is the solar energy. Many animals only eat the plants, like herbivorous animals, they only eat the plants. So if there were no plants, all the animals would die. Question and answer. Name three plants and animals in your habitat. So it depends upon the habitat you choose, where you go nearby your garden or the park, and there you have to see the plants and the animals and you have to write their names. And as we have studied the Linda's garden, we know the plants over there, the animals, and we can discuss the feeding relationship. But if you take the habitat, you have to write down the names of the plants and animals you choose. Now on the basis of that, you have to draw the three food chains to present the feeding relationship you observed in your local habitat that you see nearby your school, the park, or the garden, or the if you're living in the rural areas, I've already discussed that field where you see the feeding relationship. Now draw the two food chains including the plant and animal in the Linda's garden. So now this is the Linda's garden as we have studied. So there she produces maize and spinach. So maize is eaten by stalk borer, and stalk borer we have discussed that that stalk borer which attack the maize, and then this is eaten by lizard, and this is like a moth. Stalk borer is like a moth, and that maize is eaten by stalk borer, then it is eaten by lizard, then leaf is eaten by caterpillar, and then caterpillar, then the bird. So this is eaten by, and this is the feeding relationship. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe my channel.